doing?
Good, good. Just enjoying the festival here today.
Halloween 2012. You're not gonna guess what I am. You're either gonna say salt, but it's not salt. It's Salma Hayek in Savages, honey. There's a problem with your love story, sweetie. Sassy, what's going on?
Hey everybody, we're here in West Hollywood. It's an amazing night. Millions of people are flooding in. We've got so much going on. It's so exciting. We have so many pictures to show you. How are you having a good time? What a great couple do we make.
I'm having an amazing time here. It's so much fun. So many hot people, so many cool costumes. It's just amazing. It's so much fun.
That's right, the West Hollywood Festival 2012. William, it's your first time here. What do you think so far?
It's amazing. I'm loving it.
We're gonna have so much fun. There's amazing costumes. Everybody is here. We're gonna go and check it out and bring it all to you soon.
A lot of naked boys. We'll be bringing you those for sure.
We love that.
Yeah. Woo!